Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. I am Anna, and I feel very excited. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful and happy day.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends at home. I am Tom. I am very happy and I feel very positive today. The weather is warm and I have a big smile on my face. It is a special day because we have a very nice topic to talk about. I love being here with you to practice English.
Yes, Tom. Today we are talking about a very special idea. We are talking about celebrating small wins. Small wins are small achievements. They are the small things we do well every day. Sometimes we wait for big things, but small things are important too.
That is true, Anna. Small wins are very important. Many people wait for a big prize or a big party, but life is made of small moments. For example, waking up early is a small win. Making your bed is a small win. These things make us feel good and happy.
I agree. When I make my bed in the morning, I feel like a champion. It is a small victory. It is the first task of the day. Before we continue, I want to say something to our listeners. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. It makes us very happy.
Yes, please subscribe and give this video a like. We love reading your comments. Your support is very important for us. We want to help you learn English every day. Learning English is a small win too. Every new word you learn is a victory.
Exactly. If you learn 5 new words today, that is a big success. Don't be sad if you don't know everything. Be happy because you know more than yesterday. Tom, what is a small win you had today?
Well, Anna, today I drank a big glass of water. Usually I drink too much coffee, but today I chose water. It is a small thing, but it is good for my body. I feel proud of myself. My body feels fresh and I have more energy.
That is a great example, Tom. Drinking water is a win. For me, a small win was cooking a healthy breakfast. I cooked eggs and I ate an apple. I didn't eat chocolate for breakfast. I feel very good about that choice. It makes me feel healthy and strong.
You are very healthy, Anna. That is wonderful. Sometimes cleaning the house is a win. Yesterday, my desk was very messy. There were papers everywhere. I spent 10 minutes cleaning my desk. Now it is clean. I can work better now. I felt very happy when I finished.
I understand that feeling. A clean space makes a clean mind. When I clean my kitchen, I feel relaxed. It is a small task, but it changes my mood. Do you think our friends celebrate these things? I hope they do.
I hope so too. Friends, tell us in the comments, what is one small thing you did today? Did you walk the dog? Did you read a book? Tell us. We want to celebrate with you.
Now, let's talk about learning English. This is a very important part of our lives. Sometimes English is difficult. Sometimes grammar is hard. But when you understand a sentence in a movie, that is a win. When you say hello correctly, that is a win.
Yes, Anna. I always tell my students, don't look at the mountain, look at your feet. 1 step is a win. 2 steps is a win. Many small steps help you climb the mountain. Today, our listeners are listening to us. This is a win for their English.
You are right, Tom. Listening is a great way to learn. Our friends are practicing their listening skills right now. They are listening to Tom and Anna. They are understanding A1 and A2 vocabulary. This is a very big, small win.
I like that. A big, small win. It sounds funny, but it is true. Another small win is being kind. Today, I said thank you to the man at the supermarket. He smiled and I smiled. It was a small moment of kindness. It made my morning very pleasant.
Kindness is a beautiful win. Being nice to people is free, and it makes the world better. I felt very happy when a friend sent me a message this morning. She said, "Have a nice day." It was a small message, but it made me feel loved and special.
That is so sweet. We should celebrate these feelings. Now let's talk about the body. Exercise is hard for many people, but walking for 10 minutes is a win. You don't need to run a marathon. You only need to move your body a little bit.
I agree. I walked to the park today. The weather was cool and the air was fresh. I saw a small flower and it was beautiful. Walking is a win for my health and for my mind. I feel more relaxed now. Tom, do you exercise?
I try. Today I did 5 minutes of stretching. Only 5 minutes, but it is better than 0 minutes. I feel more flexible. My back doesn't hurt. It is a win for my physical health. I want to continue doing this every day.
5 minutes is perfect. Consistency is the secret. Doing a small thing every day is better than doing a big thing once a month. This is true for exercise and it is true for English. Practice for 10 minutes every day and you will be a master.
Exactly. We need to be patient with ourselves. We need to be kind to our brains. Learning is a process. If you can say, "The cat is on the mat," you are speaking English. Be happy for that. Don't be angry because you are not a poet yet.
Yes, no need to be a poet. Just be yourself. Another small win is finishing a task at work. Sometimes I have a long list of things to do. I look at my list and I feel stressed. But then I finish one small email. I cross it off the list. That feels so good.
Oh, I love crossing things off my list. It is a very satisfying feeling. It's like saying, "Goodbye task, I'm the boss." Even if the email is short, it is one less thing to worry about. Small wins at work help us feel productive and capable.
We are very productive today, Tom. We are talking and teaching English. This is a win for us, too. I feel very happy when we record these episodes. I feel like we are helping people all over the world. That is a very big win for my heart.
I feel the same way, Anna. It is a privilege to be here. Friends, are you enjoying this? If you are, please comment "I am winning" in the comments section. We want to see how many winners we have in our community.
Yes, use the word winning. It's a great word. It means you are having success. Now, let's talk about how to celebrate. When you have a small win, what do you do, Tom? Do you dance? Do you eat a cookie?
Sometimes I dance. I put on some music and I move for 1 minute. It makes me laugh. Other times I just take a deep breath and say, "Good job, Tom." Positive self-talk is very important. We need to be our own best friends.
That is beautiful, Tom. Being a best friend to yourself. I celebrate by drinking a nice cup of tea. I sit down, I am quiet, and I enjoy the tea. It is my prize for a job well done. It's a moment of peace and gratitude.
Gratitude is a very important word. Gratitude means saying thank you for the good things. When we celebrate small wins, we are practicing gratitude. We are saying thank you for this day and thank you for my progress.
Yes, gratitude makes us happy. It is hard to be sad when you are grateful. I'm grateful for our listeners. I am grateful for you, Tom, and I am grateful for the opportunity to speak English. This is a very positive way to live life.
I am grateful for you too, Anna. You are a very enthusiastic teacher. I think our friends at home feel your energy. Friends, remember, don't wait for the weekend to be happy. Be happy now because you did something small and good today.
That is the best advice. Be happy now. Don't wait. If you cleaned one window, celebrate. If you learned the word gratitude, celebrate. Life is a collection of small moments. Make them count.
We are coming to the end of our conversation, but the celebration continues. Every day is a new chance to have a small win. Tomorrow is a new opportunity to learn, to grow, and to be kind.
Thank you so much for being with us. Remember to subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. Give us a like and share this with a friend who needs some motivation. We love you all.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day full of small wins. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep winning.
Goodbye. See you soon.